Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As you already know, this is your US General 5-drawer tool cart with side tray and deep compartment. Today is Sunday. We touching in the mid part of the afternoon right now, okay? As always, state as usual, always keep my signature lingering somewhere in the background, my Dunkin' Donuts coffee, okay? Yesterday I put out a video displaying these two items right here, which you can see sitting in the chairs, the GB150, the Noco boost lithium jump pack, okay, and then what we have over here on the side tray, as you can see, is the Noco XGC4 56 watt power adapter. This is the rapid adapter right here, as you can see, and these are the specs of basically what's in the box. Okay, to give you a clear view of basically what it's compatible with, as you can see, the GB70, the GB150, and the GB500, 14 volt, 4000 amp. Okay, give you a little look and preview of that. Okay, and as you can see, fast recharge rapid. Okay, then get down here so that we can get a good look. Okay, so basically what you're looking at is the Noco Boost Pro. Okay, 12 volts, 4000 amps. It's ultra safe jump starter. So as you can see, it has its LED. 500 lumen LED flashlight. Up to 10 liters on gas and diesel, as you can see here on the specs. All right, at this moment right now, I have this Mercedes ML350 up on the lift, waiting for some parts right now, waiting for some work to be approved. So in the meantime, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get over to these items. I'm gonna get my box cutters out, and I'm gonna get the items out so we can take a good look at them. All right. Okay, so basically, as you can see, you have your adapter and all your plugins located in the box. Everything tightly packaged. Okay. Okay, it basically slips out that box, and as you can see, here is basically the item. This unit is testically very compact, as you can see. It's not as big as you would have normally expected it to be. Okay, so what I gotta do is I gotta basically get this charged, because it do take up to a day and a half to charge before I can start doing some testing with it. I'm gonna put out a couple of other further videos demonstrating the item in a professional setting. Okay. Once again, the adapter on this is the Noco XGC4 56-watt power adapter. Okay. And once again, this is the GB150 Noco Boost Pro, 12 volt, 4000 amps. Alright, so right now I gotta get to this work because there is things going on in the shop at the prior moment. Alright, so everybody enjoy your playoff Sunday today. Everybody root for your teams. Have a good time and a blessed one. And to a further later on review, we're gonna check you later. Peace.